Lightning protection systems that neutralize lightning strikes. Ask us anything about lightning protection systems and we have the answers. We will not only let you know about them but we will also teach you the best practices. After all, it is all about the safety of our facilities and critical assets. Your assets are at risk of lightning striking any building that doesn't have lightning protection systems installed. Most lightning protection systems are interception systems that don't reduce the odds that lightning will strike a building. Instead, they mitigate the risks of a lightning strike by controlling and harmlessly dispersing the energy they create. These systems are intended to guide the lightning discharge safely to the ground, ideally without impacting anything inside. LEX lightning protection systems are based on the principle of air deionization or charge transfer. The main objective is to avoid saturation of electrostatic charge between the Earth installation and the atmosphere that surrounds us, compensating for the difference of electric potential in the area during the first process of lightning formation. The installation's electrostatic charge is progressively compensated to Earth as the potential difference between cloud and Earth increases, neutralizing the effect ground point in 100% of all cases, tracer or leader. The lightning protection systems do not incorporate any radioactive or laser resources. The effect of constantly dissipating the electric field from high tension in the protection zone ensures that the air around does not go over the rupture tension, avoiding possible sparks, frying noise, radio frequency, and lightning strike. A typical lightning protection system from Lightning Eliminators and Consultant Incorporated includes Dissipation Array System, DAS, working on the charge transfer technology. It's available in a range of configurations for almost every structure. This is the key component of our system and is installed as close and practical to roof edges. Chemically charged electrodes, ChemRod, provide a low impedance ground. The reliable performance of the entire lightning protection system depends on an effective low impedance grounding system. With ChemRods, a greater number of ions are transferred, allowing DAS technology to interrupt the formation of the upward streamer, thereby preventing direct strikes. Surge Protection Devices, SPD, protects the electronic systems within a building from transient overvoltage damage, by blocking or redirecting surge currents to the ground instead of letting them pass through the equipment. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@legglobal.com. Contact number: 303-447-2828. Social media links: www.lightningprotection.com, www.facebook.com weblink, twitter.com weblink, www.linkedin.com weblink, www.youtube.com weblink.